to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video I am going to discuss about the two keywords, break and continue. So basically this is the keyword which we use in a if statement. These two keywords we use in a if statement, and I will show a program using the while loop. In while loop there will be a if statement. I have already discussed about the while loop in my previous videos. You can have a watch. So let's start. Suppose I take while, suppose first I take I equals to 1. Now while I less than equals to 100, then print I equals to I plus 1. So we all knew how the output will be coming in this program. Let's check the output. See, 1 to 100. Okay. Now here I will use a if statement. If suppose I equals to 30. Okay. Then first I will use break. I will use the statement break. Now let's show you what's the output. Then I will say what the break test statement does. See, up to 29 it is printing. Now I equals to 30. When the value of I is 30, then the if statement is true. Then the if statement will give a break and it will go again there and no output will be coming. Break statement uses that it will not come again. Equals 30. When the condition matches, it will just give a break and it will go upside. Suppose if I do here one thing, suppose another thing I will show you. Suppose if I give here print hello, print hello. Okay. Then see, after 29 it is just coming out and it will print hello. Okay. Now I think you have understood the break statement. What is the condition for the break statement, how it can be used. Now I will do one thing. Now I will give you a continue, another keyword of continue. Okay. Now I give it here 20. See, it will just print up to 19. Just listen it. When the condition is true, 20 equals to 20, then continue. Then it is going to the while loop. See, the print hello is not coming. Why? Because continue will just go on to the while loop. It will not print that hello. Up to 19 it is printing because I have given that value 20. When the value is coming equal, then it will again go back to the while loop. Now I think you have understood how the break and continue statement works in a loop. And if you have any queries, just comment down. I am there to answer and solve your queries. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.